It is time to stop underestimating the power of the morning. It doesn't matter whether you love mornings or you hate mornings, or whether you're a night owl and like to sleep in, or if you wake up before sunrise. When you do this exercise every single morning, you will see a massive acceleration in your manifesting. You actually have to try it for yourself and see what I mean. I've been using this with my one-on-one clients for the past 3 months, and it has been transformative. And don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to wake up at 5 a.m. or spend hours journaling or meditating. Unless that's something you want to do, then by all means, go for it. But this exercise should only take about 5 minutes. 5 minutes of your day to experience massive results. I am so excited to share this exercise with you so that you can experience this magic. But really quickly, before we get into it, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below so that I know that you are here trying it for yourself. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. My whole channel is all about law of attraction, manifesting, meditations, and more, so be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you. So mornings sometimes get a bad rep, but the truth is, mornings are one of the most important times of day when it comes to creation and manifesting. How you start your morning sets the tone, and that tone is going to affect what you attract. And in the morning, when your brain is just beginning to wake up from sleeping, your subconscious mind is so much more readily accessible and open to suggestion. So use this time wisely. And as you know, if you've watched my videos before, your subconscious mind is key in your ability to manifest what you want. I talk about it all the time because it's that important. I've been studying the law of attraction and manifesting for years and years, so trust me when I say your subconscious mind holds the power, but you have control over your subconscious mind. So the way that this exercise works is through tapping into your subconscious mind and using a feeling to energize your manifestation. And it's a lot easier than it sounds. So here is what you're going to do. Oh, and a really quick side note. Make sure you're doing this in a safe space. Do not do this while you're driving or anything that requires your immediate attention. Be safe. So the first thing you are going to do is pick one thing that you intend to manifest. I know it's tempting to pick a few things because you want more opportunities to manifest it all, but the way this works best and the way I recommend you do this is by just choosing one thing at a time. It doesn't mean you can't choose those other things, but for the sake of this exercise, one thing at a time. Doing this keeps your energy focused and your attentions and feelings focused, almost like a laser beam aimed directly at this thing you want. You want that laser beam precision. And you can pick a new thing each day or stick with the same thing for a week or a month. Do what feels best for you. Follow what feels right. There is no right or wrong. So once you have chosen the thing that you intend to manifest, I want you to place your palms together at your chest in a sort of prayer-like position. Gently applying pressure by pushing your palms towards each other and making sure your palms are up against your chest. So you don't want them out here, you want them all touching and gently applying pressure to your palms. Having this connection of your hands balances the masculine and feminine energies within your body, and you are connecting it by placing your hands against your heart center. And your hands are going to stay in this position for the entire cycle, which I will explain now. So the first thing you're going to do is close your eyes and repeat the phrase, I am or I have, followed by the thing that you intend to manifest. So examples would be, I have blank car, I have blank amount of money, I am in an amazing relationship, I am in love with my new house. Use whatever creative words you want to use, fill in the blank with whatever you chose that you intend to manifest in the form of I am or I have. So with your palms together and your eyes closed, you are going to repeat 3 times, I am or I have, followed by the thing that you intend to manifest. Say it 3 times. So I am blank, I am blank, I am blank, I have blank, I have blank, I have blank. 3 times. And after you say it 3 times, with your eyes still closed and your palms still together, you are going to take 3 deep breaths, allowing that feeling of having that thing to flow through you. Whatever feeling it may be, but do it in a way that feels good and natural. You are tapping into the energy of what feeling that thing would provide. So after you take these 3 breaths while feeling the feeling, you are going to repeat, it's here, it's mine, thank you, 3 times. So it's here, it's mine, thank you. It's here, it's mine, thank you. It's here, it's mine, thank you. Do this at your own pace. Do it at a place where you can connect with it and add some feeling to it. It's here, it's mine, thank you. That should feel good. Really connect to it. And after you say that 3 times, you're going to do 3 deep breaths, allowing the feeling of complete relief and satisfaction to flow through you. This should feel amazing. Relief and satisfaction are some of the greatest feelings ever. So you will do this cycle 3 times and then go about your day, not obsessing about it, not worrying about it, not forcing or controlling, but instead allowing and receiving, knowing and trusting and just deeply feeling powerful that you get to have whatever you want and that you can create it. So I know that was a lot that I just threw at you, so let's sum it up again really quickly. It's really easy if you think of it all in 3s. It's 3 of each thing, and you do this whole process 3 times. So to start, you repeat I am or I have, followed by what you intend to manifest 3 times. Then you do 3 deep breaths, feeling the feelings of having that thing. And then you repeat it's here, it's mine, thank you 3 times, followed by 3 deep breaths, feeling complete and total relief. So I am or I have blank 3 times, followed by 3 deep breaths, feeling the feeling of having that thing. Then 3 repetitions of it's here, it's mine, thank you, followed by 3 deep breaths of feeling complete and total relief. Got it? This cycle will create this really powerful, energetic charge to your manifestation, and you will be shocked at how quickly things start materializing and showing up for you. And if you like this exercise and want to try a full meditation that I created using this system, there is a brand new meditation up inside of Create right now called The Cycle, where you follow this process and combine it with some really powerful energy work. And this meditation's really unique. You're connecting your palms and energy in through your chest and your 3rd eye, your heart, your intuition, your power, and creating this energetic force field for attraction. And if you don't know what Create is, it's a manifesting membership where every 30 days you get brand new subconscious programming meditations that are not on YouTube, just like this meditation called The Cycle that I'm talking about. You also get a manifesting workbook, training videos, affirmations, mantras, and a live Q&A with me every single month where you can ask me your questions one-on-one. So if you want more info about Create and if you want to try out that meditation, I will leave a link up here and a link down below for you to check it out. And as always, feel free to come back and re-watch this video if you get unclear or stuck or confused, and it will be here as a tool for you to use. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you haven't already, be sure to connect with me over on Instagram. There I post affirmations, law of attraction, inspiration, and so much more. And if you want more information about Create or the Manifesting Activation System and some of my other programs, visit mkmagicmindset.com. I'll see you in the next one.